Greetings, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster YouTube channel. Today I am reviewing Survey Junkie. This is one of the most reputable get paid to take survey website. Basically, you take surveys to get paid in cash or gift cards, and you can of course join for free. There's nothing to pay. Here's what the dashboard looks like once you log in or sign up. So right now I have 134 points. So that equals 134 pennies or cents. You can cash out at $5 or 500 points. Alright, let's look at some surveys. You see fresh surveys like all the time. So pick and choose the surveys that pays you well, higher points with shorter times. So this one pays $1.90 for a 16-minute surveys, which is 12 points per minute. And you can scroll. As you can see, there are plenty to choose from, especially if you're from the United States. Alright, let's do this one for 5 minutes for 40 cents. Start. So they ask you things like what social media platforms you use at least once a week, and you try to be as honest as you can. So for this survey I didn't qualify, so after like a few questions I wasn't a fit for this survey, so they canceled my survey, I guess. But they do give you some points for just trying, so 3 cents. And as you can see here, there are new surveys now, 14 points a minute for a 5-minute survey. This is pretty good right here, and the points get added almost right away right here. And again, it's constantly always refreshed with more surveys, different surveys. So that's how it works. Survey Junkie is one of the easiest get paid for surveys websites right now, and they do have quite a bit of surveys for you guys to earn money with. Check them out. I'll leave the links down below, and here are some reviews for Survey Junkie. Trustpilot gives them a rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars with almost 44,500 reviewers, so this is an excellent rating. The Google Play Store Android app for Survey Junkie, 4.3 out of 5 stars, 1 million downloads with 93,000 reviewers, another awesome rating. The App Store for Survey Junkie, 4.5 out of 5 stars with 72,000 ratings, another excellent review. Okay, I hope this helps give you some ideas of what Survey Junkie is all about. Please check them out, a link down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe to my channel How to Webmaster for more tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. Thanks again, and until next time, happy money making.